Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nicky. I'm here in the outdoor testing studio where I use a multimeter a lot. And in my hand here is an AstroAI, their newest multimeter, which I have to tell you was provided for me to do this review, but with no instructions whatsoever. So if it sucks, I'll give it a 1. If it's amazing, I will give it a 5 on the Doug score. So let me tell you about some of the features, then I'm going to show you 2 party tricks, which I really love about this multimeter. But let's first talk about the basics. It's a 1.5, 9 volt, 12.5 volt voltage tester with auto ranging. It's got an Ohmmeter, DMM function, all the standard things that you expect out of a multimeter. From everything I've seen, it is very accurate. Actually, let me show you a quick voltage test and how that works. So like most of these multimeters, you just attach. For this one, I'm going to use the pokies, but it also has the clip-on style as well. And then I'm going to show you my first party trick. Check this out. It's got a built-in kickstand. How cool is that? So I put it down like that. If you've used a multimeter before, standard ones don't have that, and how annoying it is trying to find some place to put it down where you can see what the reading is. This is really nice. All right, let's check the voltage. Just gonna check for one of my RC drone batteries. Let's see what we got here. We got the negative. Let's hit the positive. 12.76 volts, just like it's supposed to be. Okay, so that's good. Simple thing, you can use it for all kinds of batteries. I use this a lot on 12 volt systems, on cars, trucks, boats, that kind of stuff. My RV, all the time, wondering why the power's not working. So let me close up my kickstand. How cool is that? And then the other thing, which I think is absolutely fabulous, is it has a non-touch sensor for voltage. So if there's a wire and you want to know if it's powered, or a piece of equipment and you want to know it's powered, like let's say I have a power strip here behind me, and before I start sticking things in there, I want to know if there's power going there. Listen, so it beeps and tells you there's power. How cool is that? Now you can also take it and go, as you get closer, it lights up more bars, and then eventually it's going to go. Let me show you another way. Let's say you have a wire and you're not sure if it's powered. You go like this, move it close to it, get that beep, you know it's powered, right? And then, if you wanted to know if there was a break in it, right, you were having trouble with it, you can move this along here and see where at some point the power stops. You know you have an issue right there. But I just think it's great because what a safety thing, right? Like, you just want to know, can I play with this? Yeah, no, it says no. It's a great additional piece of information to have. Those are my 2 favorite party tricks. The wireless, being able to see if something's charged, and then also, I just love the built-in kickstand. It's ridiculously cool. I think that's awesome. I hope this was, oh, you need a rating. Okay, I'm gonna definitely give this a 5 out of 5. I mean, it is great for your basic multimeter, has a lot of functions, super cool. Comes with batteries, you don't even need batteries for it. Yeah, so we're gonna give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.